Okay, I'm going to introduce you to triangulation. There's two different types of scenarios that you may come across, okay? You may be trying to work out how far you are from a position C that you can't actually physically access. So something's in between you, okay? A typical thing might be, there might be a river, or there might be too many mountains or something and you can't get to it, all right? Or might be too high up or something like that. So you're trying to work out how far you are from C and you're over here somewhere, all right? So if you just stood here, you couldn't really work out what your distance was just by looking at it, okay? But I could call that position A, and what I could do is I can create another position, B, somewhere over here. It doesn't really matter where it is as long as you know where it is, and draw a line between them. Know this distance, okay? This is a known distance, okay? You get a known distance between two positions that you can physically get to, you can access, and then you determine the angle CAB. So you work out this angle here, okay? That's your first angle that you work out. Then you walk over the known distance across to the position B and you work out the angle CBA, okay? And that's your other angle. And then you can actually use the sine rule to actually work out this distance, for instance. So you can work out distance A just by doing, you have these pairs here and you know this distance and you can work out that angle, right? You work out this angle because you know that it's a triangle. All right, so this angle here will be 180 minus psi minus theta. All right, so it's going to be 180 minus that, and whatever's left will be that angle there. So this is a pretty typical situation. You have an unknown position that you can't get to. You choose 2 points that you can get to, work out the angles between them, okay, and the known distance. Then you have your known distance and this angle here when you subtract it from 180, and you work out one of the distances that you can't actually physically measure by doing that. That's your first scenario. Second scenario is when you're actually trying to find a distance between 2 points that are also inaccessible. So say there's mountains or a river or something like that, and you need to work out how far it is between these 2 points. Okay, same story. You actually get 2 points over here that you know the distance between, and again, it doesn't really matter how far away they are from each other. All right, and you actually create a triangle here that determines this angle, okay, so DAB, but you also work with what the angle is created CAB, all right? So you look at both positions and determine the angles, all right? And then you come over here and you do exactly the same thing. You do CBA, you work out this angle, and you also work out DBA. And of course you know this distance is known here. And I will show you in another video how to actually work out the distance between C and D. But it's dealing with your parallel lines and your angles inside triangles, etc. Notice that you've got two complete triangles here at the moment, all right, and then of course you've got another one here. Now this is, you're going to have to create a triangle out of this line, okay? So you can either go this way or you can go this way, your choice, all right? But you need to end up with a triangle that you actually have information about. So if you choose this one, you'd have to know that length and that length to work out that one. If you choose the other one, you're going to need to know that length and that length to work out that one, and that's essentially how you do it.